Hello, good morning. Today is 30th of May, Friday. So I am just planning to go to Burj Khalifa and Dubai Frame. So already it is 10:15. It is very hot here. So I am just planning to go to metro, buy a day pass for entire day and proceed to Burj Khalifa. I am walking towards metro station. It is very hot here. It's only 10:30, not even 10:30, but very hot. So traveling by metro is fine because it is AC. You can see that Milan Veg. So there is a chain of vegetarian restaurants like Indian for Indian food in Dubai. This is Amber Clinics, is a hospital, pharmacy, beauty salon, Bangalore Dum Biryani. So we get enough, like wherever we go we can get South Indian non-veg, South Indian veg food, so it is not a problem here in Dubai. And it is typically lunch costs around like 20 dirhams in a good restaurant, vegetarian, I mean to say, dosa, uttappam or idli or vada. So it is around 450, 500 rupees. So it is not bad compared to European countries like Switzerland, Italy or UK. So here is much better food. There might be few like cheap options, food options, but I am yet to explore that. So today and tomorrow I am just spending 2 days exploring Dubai and only three important landmarks like Burj Khalifa, Dubai Frame, and also future of the museum of the future, something like that. I will say it is 150 dinars. So I have checked some websites, so there are no discounts. Also checked with the travel agent in my hotel Hilton, so there are no discounts if I buy 3 of them. So I will see. So this is a metro stop, Dubai Airport Free Zone. So I think is Green Line. So I will take a day pass, and I think day pass is 20 dirhams. So it is called red. So red pass or something like that, gold pass. So I will check if it is valid in buses, tram and metro, monorail also. But now I am going to beautiful Green Line escalators to the station. This is tickets, automatic tickets, and also ticket office, but no one is there. So ticket vending machine. So I took a ticket for day pass, 22 dirhams. So this is the day pass, valid till midnight today. So now I am going to Burj Khalifa station by using Green Line and then change it to red line at Union Station. So these are gates. So I have to use my pass to enter. This is a metro map. So this is Green Line and this is red line. So I am here. I have to go take this metro, get down at Union and take red line till this stop or this stop to go to Burj Khalifa. So this is the platform 2 going to Creek. So I have to get a train here and go to Union Station. It takes around 20 minutes. So this is platform 2. Train is coming to platform 2 going to Creek. So I have to, this is red line, I have to get, green line. I have to get down at Union Station and change train to red. I got down this train, metro train, green line at Union Station. So now I have to go upstairs and take red line. Take this train to platform 2 and get down at Business Bay or Burj Khalifa. So I have to take this escalator. This is the red line which I came, is a metro line. So this is Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall stop. You can see the connection now to Dubai Mall. So just opposite to metro station is Dubai Mall. So from Dubai Mall I can enter Burj Khalifa. So first I have to take tickets and then travel escalator. So inside Dubai Mall. I am going towards Dubai Mall from Dubai Metro to see the traffic on the roads. These are all MR buildings. is Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is also owned by MR Properties, number one owners, real estate business. So now I am in Dubai Mall, one of the largest mall in the world, entire world, not in UAE. I'll come back. I will come back. Dunkin' Donuts, Time House, Huawei. So I heard that someone told me how to go to -3 levels for the tickets and Burj Khalifa entrance. I have exchanged 30 pounds, 30 Swiss francs and 30 euros, and I got around like 388 dirhams. Not bad. So I got more dirhams. See the beautiful Dubai Mall, excellent. Cafe Nero and the washrooms, ladies and gents. So just world's biggest mall, maybe one of the biggest mall in the world. So this is first floor, level 1. So I have to go to level -3. Excellent, awesome display of shops, very good design, excellent lighting. You can see Guri, Italian brands, Armani, Zara, all Italian. Paris, French, Pierre Cardin, Costa Coffee. I am just walking in this beautiful mall. I am going towards Burj Khalifa ticketing area. So I wanted to take all 3 tickets with my agent, where I have bought packages for other trips, but he has given me the price and it looks similar to what I get here. And I asked him if he can provide any transport, but he said no. So then I just straight away came here and I check here. So prices might be a bit lower here. Otherwise, I will buy in app. So which I bought tickets in Singapore and Bangkok. So if I buy tickets like Dubai Frame and Burj Khalifa together, I am getting like 10 dinars discount. So I will just check here. Excellent Dubai Mall. See this beautiful cafe. Just cups are hanging in the air. Excellent cafe, Illy Cafe. I can see people from entire world here, like from Europe, Asia, Africa, India, China, so all over the world. Dubai invites everyone. For tourism is their number one currency, foreign currency or income. So that's why I encourage tourism, and they always plan to build more and more world top level attractions to attract customers like Burj Khalifa, Dubai Frame, or Dubai Aquarium, so many things. Mall management, office, Dubai Economy and Tourism, banks and services. I can't find Burj Khalifa tickets. They said I can get it at -1, so I might have to take different route. But Dubai Mall is divided into several sections. Now you can see I have entered one more section. Here you can see three floors into the top dome. So these are all interconnected. You can't see Dubai Sorry, Burj Khalifa tickets or Burj Khalifa way here. Oh, okay, at the top Burj Khalifa I can see here. So I have to go that way at the top Burj Khalifa. Okay. I am planning to go to 124 and 125 floors. So there is a different ticket compared to 145. So 145 is a VIP and it costs more. So first I will just go and check the prices, compare the prices. So based on that I will decide, because this is the highest building in the world, entire world at the moment. So it has to be, I have to go top. So there is no second option. So I have booked a ticket here. So for 390 is promotion. So it will go to 145 floor. And 158 is too expensive. So I took 140. So you see 154 plus aquarium is 899. 154 769. So I took this is a promotion 399 AED. So I am doing that. 124 and 125 is 579. So 124 125 rooftop is 322.